Welcome back, everybody. Working on a new studio first off. But today we're going to take a look at the Monport 150 watt laser fume extractor. I won this off of Monport's stream on their channel, which was hosted by Build Make Share. Big thank you to Build Make Share. I am just finishing my actual laser that I designed-ish and built myself over the last few years as a side project. Long story. Don't ever do it. Just buy one. But happened to win this, so let's take a look at it. Just got it in the box, and let's open it up, see what's in there. Alright, first off, pretty big box. Barely get it in the whole camera shot, but there it is. It quite obviously came from Fontana, California, made in China. Some more Chinese. Packing list in Chinese, made in China, made in China. Packing list in China, made in China. Oh, same thing on two sides. I don't think there's anything else special on here. Yep, nothing like that. All right, let's get her up. Ooh, that's all a dirty truck. Let's cut her open and not trip over our chair. Hopefully this is not too loud. It is up very close to the microphone. There we go. Oh boy. That's some thick cardboard. Look at that. Wow. First off in the box we have a power cable. IEC or D-plug. Let's close this knife up before we cut ourselves. We have a coupler with a band clamp. We have a hose. We have a funnel, I believe goes on the end of the hose. We have a user's manual. Just gotten eaten through by something. Okay. Piece of foam. Knock the camera out of the way. Here we have the inside of the box. Here's the fume extractor. I am going to go ahead and set this on the floor. Oh, because you can't really see anything anyways. Set this here. See what else is in the box. If anything. Alright, just some foam and a package of filters. So we have some filters, user's manual, the funnel, hose, coupler, and power cable. Let's get the plastic off this guy. Or girl. Not my place to judge. A lot of warnings. What do they say? Don't suffocate. I'll do my best. All right. Here is the box. Wow, it is a nice white powder coat. Feels thick. But the powder coat does. Some sheet metal. What do we have on this side? We have a handle. Fume extractor. Input voltage, AC 110 volts, power 150 watts, filtering effect 0.3 UM, 99.97%, noise under 55 dB, system flow 258 meters cubed per hour, overall dimensions 285 by 245 by 345 millimeters, weighs 9.5 kilograms, CE. Fused inlet there. What we got on this side? All right. We have a sticker on the front, which is Can you all see that? Slightly crooked. Okay, well, it still works. We have off, on, and all the way to max. That is a very thick pot. Very thick. I like it. It's a manly pot. It makes me feel like I'm accomplishing something. It says it eliminates smoke, eliminates dust, eliminates bacteria, eliminates odors, it eliminates particles down to 2.5 micron, eliminate harmful gases, and air purification. What do we have on this side? Just another handle, nothing on the back. Let's take a look at the bottom. Some nice big feet on there. Risk warning. High current in high pressure. To avoid electrical shock, please do not open the bottom. Well, I don't plan on it. Right, let's flip her over. Oh, that thing is heavy. Let's pop the two latches. There's some double-sided foam there. There's a seal. There's more in here. We have, I'm not sure what to do here. Maybe I should read the manual. There's a small piece of foam. Okay, looks like a pre-filter. Oh, this comes out all the way. Okay. So cardboard on the outside. That's why I was a little confused. And two little tabs there. But if we flip it over, you can see this is actually hot glued together. A little bit of plastic grating, more HEPA filter. So that is one module, it looks like. What is this filter for? Ah, these are all the pre-filters. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. So 4 pre-filters. Okay. So at some point, yeah, you will have to replace this whole cartridge. It's decently heavy. You can hear the carbon inside. I'm assuming it is a HEPA filter on top, HEPA filter on bottom, HEPA-ish, and filled with carbon in the center. Make some music. With a pre-filter on top. All right, bottom has some more foam tape. Spot for the fan. All right, it's not too much there. Let's get this back together. That just sits right down in there. Let's put this guy on. Is it directional? Oh, got stuck. Okay. Ugh. Not square. Yep, slightly directional. Don't think that's intentional. There we go. Let's get the manual. Figure out what we're doing here. Okay. 1 fume extractor, 1 power cord, 1 smoking absorbing pipe, an adapter, user manual, primary filters 5, medium filter 1, carbon filter 1. 1 of the 5 is installed. Fume extractor installed, medium filter installed, carbon filter installed. Check before use. Machine should be fully intact. Power switch is off. Sure the filter elements are evenly placed. Securely install the cover and box body. Adjust the speed regulating button to the off. Okay. Air inlet is an 82mm flange. Same specs we had before. Okay, they refer to these as a high efficiency filtering core, medium efficiency filtering core, and primary efficiency cotton filter. Unpack the hose and affix it to the duct flange. Rotate the tube to align with the fume collecting hood with the smoke outlet. Adjust the suction distance accordingly. Power switch on the back. Just tell me how to use a power plug and simple knob, power switch, troubleshooting. Alright, they show you how to replace the fuse. You usually don't get that. Ah, okay, yes. It is 3 pieces. So, pre-filter, middle filter, and the main filter. So that one does pop out. Okay, so you can actually replace this is one piece and this is one piece. That is good to know. And that's pretty much it. Just a bunch of caution, 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 caution. So just do not wash and reuse the cotton filter. All right. Set those to the side. Let's get these pieces apart. Ooh, it's rubbery. Maybe TPU-y. Doesn't look printed. Did come with the US plug, that's handy. Let's get this hose out of here. Oh! It's very stiff. It is very stiff, which is very good. And, ooh, stinky. So noisy. Fresh plastic. As you can see, it is very stiff. Very stiff. And then on this side, we'll go ahead and stick this guy on. That slid on pretty easy. Kind of creepy. On this side, we're just gonna bend this up out of the way, try not to hit the camera. Drop it down in there. All right. And it's stiff. I don't know if it will loosen up over time. Let's see what the sending adapter. All right. I guess this is so you can hook your own choice of hose up. Let's see if that fits in there. Yep. Not like that. Does fit just like that. Okay. Guess that is if you have a soft hose. I wonder. Oh, let's take this back on. It's heavy. I mean, not unwieldy heavy, but heavier than you expect. No. So you cannot exhaust out. It's only internal. You cannot run a hose out the window. Alright. Throw that in the bag for now. Let's go to the side camera. We'll get this plugged in. Alright. It's pretty. It's pretty. Looks good. This is when we flip the fuse. And do I have any power free? Okay. All right. Back from under the desk. You don't even want to know what I just did. It is in the off position. Let's kick it on. Power switch is on. Lights flickered a bit. that is under on. Let's get it. Okay. It doesn't have a click off. It is just a speed. So I definitely recommend when you're not using it, flip the power switch. Spools up. There is the on position. And that's peaking at about a negative 40 dB just on my meter in OBS. Go up to the next line. Negative 30 dB. Negative 45. Is about the same. Let's do something real quick. Let's confirm. Yeah, let's turn off noise suppression. Okay, just in our background, we're right under the negative 45 background noise. Sorry about that. False start. Go back to the on position. Yeah, there we go. That is noise canceling is off in all forms in OBS, so that is, you are hearing it. That is now about negative 30 dB. Let's go up to the first line. Negative 25. Negative 20. Right in there, we're at about negative 17. Negative 15. And on max. We're about negative 10. Now, obviously, that's based off my input gain settings on my microphone, but there's just some reference you can tell just by the levels. I will say, all the noise is concentrated down here. I didn't hear any of it pick up. Can we get it in here? Oh, there we go. I didn't feel any of the noise pick up from here. Let's try it again. Yeah, quiet. Oh, you can really feel how it sucks this way, not really this way. It's very directional that way. Don't worry, I'm not choking it. It does have a little bit of a standoff. Let's see how low we can go before it drops the manual off. We're on the first notch / line above on, and yeah, it's still holding. It has a lot of airflow. Now it's trying to suck it in. Alright, let's get that out of the way. How bad is it coming off the bottom? Very little air coming out the front. Quite a bit out the sides. A little less on the back. About the same as the side. But this side actually seems to be getting the most. Blowing straight down. It's interesting. Alright. We're going to go down to on, and for an impromptu test, we're going to create some particulates in the air. just nicotine. Not too bad. A little bit is escaping away, but of course we're on the first setting. Let's go ahead and kick it up a bit. I would say that got the majority. A little bit did escape past. Let's okay, now that setting, it's really grabbing. You can see it pulling from back here as well and sucking it back forward. The on and first notch, a little bit blew past. Right in there, that is really grabbing it. I could not tell you if the carbon fiber is removing the odor because this is all I can smell right now. Let's go there, see what happens. Pretty nice. All right. And there we have it. My new fume extractor. This awkward hose. Once again, thank you to Monport and Build Make Share. I really needed one of these right now to even use my laser cutter. It is out on the patio. And it's been cold, so that really sucks. Plus, I have to drag everything out there, put it up. We're going to get a table over here on the side, get it set up inside, but we needed some type of fume extractor. I do have a window close by, but I think this is going to be a better solution. So we'll keep using it, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, yeah, most important part. You can find this on Monport's website. I'll link it below, monport.com. This was retail for $2.99, so it was a good win on a stream. Yeah, thank you again, everyone, and I'll catch you next time.